Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks and just playing around with this match vectors. And Eskimo sent me a little sample. And if we wanted to do this and put a ball on top of this line, but then have the balls on top of all of them, but different shaped balls for the different lengths of line. So if we select those five, we got five, and we add tag selected and it counts fine. Then grab this and tag it as selected, and then put your ball on top of that, grab both of them, and to match the vectors. It put a bigger ball on the longer line and a smaller ball on the, you could do a lot with this. You could add more, you could put a ball on the other end, you could put all kinds of different things real quickly to put a object. Let's see if we make this just a outline. So we'll grab well, we shouldn't have to do that. If we put that there, we've already selected everything. Now select and add a vector. Now it put just a vector line around the top of that item. And if you look, big compared to little, that's a short line, so it's um, made it a smaller circle than the other one's a bigger circle. Anyway, pretty cool. I'll put a link to this to this macro at the bottom of the video. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.